have been gifted with a beautiful planet, but over the years, we've done more harm than good. So it's high time that we now behave like responsible citizens and do our bit to make this environment a more greener and a sustainable place to live.
Today, all of us are gathered here to do our bit for our environment. We have basically cleaned this place, but the most important message I want to give is we should treat this earth as our home and not litter it in the first place.
I think if all of us do our conscious bit to save the environment every single day, we can preserve this for the future generations to enjoy.
Nature constantly teaches us to grow. Let us not make our earth bleed.
We as individuals need to help Mother Nature breathe and heal.